Anthropic just dropped Claude Opus 5, their fourth frontier model in 8 weeks. At this point, Anthropic is shipping new models faster than the junior devs can abandon their side project after configuring dev dependencies. We've had Opus 4.8, we got Fable, we broke up with Fable, we got back together with Fable, and then Sonnet 5 invaded. And now Opus 5 is here to tell you that your full stack roadmap is basically just a glorified prompt, not more. On paper, the specs looks absurd. A 1 million token context window, 128,000 output tokens, and 5 different thinking levels ranging from just give me a quick answer to burn down this local power grid to center div. If you didn't notice, for a solid decade, the indie hacker mantra was the same. 1. Learn Next.js, Tailwind, or any other framework. 2. Build a Micro-SaaS with Stripe billing. 3. Post fake MRL screenshots on Twitter to flex on vibe coders. And 4. Pray nobody looks at your Sparkity code. Basically, the golden rule used to be ideas are cheap, execution is everything. Well, bad news. Execution now costs $20 a month. Why would anyone pay $29 per month for your minimalistic PDF to Excel wrapper when Claude Opus 5 will happily generate the same app, deploy it to a serverless edge function, and write an apologetic apology letter to your users all in under 90 seconds? And if you are still building in public on Twitter, congratulations. Your public roadmap is just an open source feature spec for 3,000 prompt engineers waiting to clone your entire SaaS before the next deployment finishes building. To be fair, Opus 5 isn't completely omnipotent. It's got a 50% hallucination rate on edge cases. But the difference is that when Opus 5 lies to you, it doesn't just guess. It constructs a beautifully formatted, peer-reviewed gaslight that will convince your lead engineer that catching every error with an empty try-catch block is a valid 100% uptime strategy. Here comes the big question. What do we actually do now? Well, 1. Stop selling simple CRUD wrappers. If your entire application can be generated by an LLM in a single 20 minutes context window, it's a feature, not a company. 2. Hold proprietary data like a dragon. If Claude hasn't ingested it in its training weights, it can't vibe code a replacement for it. 3. Build distribution before code. Very important. If a generic tool has 50,000 loyal newsletter subscribers, it beats a masterpiece app with zero traffic every single day of the week. 4. Own the AI-able workflows. Focus on messy, complex enterprise integrations, deep hardware hooks, or legally regulated niches where hallucinations result in immediate lawsuits. The bottom line, the ceiling for developer productivity has never been higher, but the floor has never been more radioactive. If your business doesn't have a good proprietary distribution or an audience, your Micro-SaaS just became a weekend hobby project. This has been the Builder's Log. Ideas may be $2 a month, but execution is still on you. Catch you soon.